Welcome to the most intensive, vicious course known to man. We will transform you into the most important person in any office. But it's not going to be all cupcakes and Pokemon. Oh no. What is the first question you ask when someone calls to report a problem?
How are you today, sir?
Wrong, you worthless maggot! You will work hard. You will suffer hard. Eject the portable drive without safely removing it. Never! Good job. 99% of you Yoda lovers will not pass this course. Those of you who will pass this course will master the secrets of technology.
This is my router. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Without speed, my router is useless. Without my router, I am useless.
You will harness the power of hardware. You will be the reminder of passwords. You will be the neglector of hobbies and family. You will be too precious to get fired. What is the first question you ask when someone calls to report a problem?
Sir, have you tried turning it off and then back on? Sir!
Correct! But it never gets easier. And now, for your final exam, you're going to teach her how to send an email with